Shoutout guys, another tutorial, another song. Ang kanta, the song is from Sir Lewis, and the title of the song is Forget Me. So for the chords, we have three parts for the chords, and we have string pattern. And again, before we start again, sa mga Filipino viewers natin dyan, manipis sa string guys, check lang Shopee link sa baba. Manipis ito na string, hindi masakit sa kamay pang practice. At mas maigi kung 2 sets ay inyong bilhin guys, para may backup kayo agad. Hindi masakit sa kamay pang practice, maganda pang practice. Start tayo, strumming pattern. Let's start with the string pattern. This is our string pattern, simple down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, okay? Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So, right, we need the right timing, tamang timing ang ating kailangan guys. They say, sample, na down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. They say, na, no, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Timing, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So, chords tayo, chords. First part for the verses, these are the chords, A. So, simple A. Then C sharp minor. So, at 4th fret, form of B minor, but we'll play this chord at 4th fret. And then a B. Okay, so let's play with the string pattern. Verse, first verse, intro and first verse. They say, okay, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, na 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 na. And then for pre-chorus, these are the chords for the pre-chorus. F sharp minor, then C sharp minor, and B. So let's play again. Pre-chorus, na 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 na, down. Okay. So if I'm not wrong, twice for first pre-chorus, F sharp minor, B. Okay. Na 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 na. Before the chorus, na 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 na. Okay. And then chorus. Let's proceed for the chorus. For the chorus again, repeat the verses chords A, C sharp minor, and B. So let's play with the string pattern. Let's play with the string pattern again. Chorus part. Okay, repeat these chords guys. A, C sharp minor, and B. So, and then repeat the verse. Same chord, repeat. And then F sharp minor for pre-chorus, C sharp minor, B. And then for the last part, repeat the 3 chords, A, C sharp minor, B, until the ending. So that's all guys. This is our simple version of how to play this song. Double check lang guys ang audio MP3 file at sabayan nyo kasama chords at string pattern na ginamit natin dito. At ulit sa mga naghanap ng manipis sa string, check lang Shopee link sa baba. Manipis ito guys, hindi masakit sa kamay pang practice. At mas maigi kung 2 sets sa inyong bilhin para may backup kayo agad. Hanggang dito muna tutorial guys. See you sa mga next uploads. Alrighty.